So now let's come to the third consequence of introducing enharmonic relation, maybe the most important consequence also from a composing point of view. The consequence is that it is very easy to modulate, so to switch from one key to another, even from one to another key when these have only a few common notes. So when we have to modulate between two keys which have only a few common notes, it is very, very difficult. Sometimes we have to switch from some other keys before we go to the final key. And so it is quite difficult. So by using an harmonic relation, it is very, very easy and very quickly. We can do this very, very quickly. So to understand this in depth, let's imagine we want to switch, we want to modulate from E flat major key to B major key. So now let's compare these two keys and so the corresponding scale. Let's take E flat major key, so E flat major scale, which is made up of E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and then again E flat. Then let's see B major scale. B, C sharp, D sharp, E natural, F sharp, G sharp, A flat. So we have no common notes between these two keys. So it should be very, very difficult to modulate from E flat to B major key. So we can do this very easily by using the enharmonic relation or also the enharmonic change. So to understand this, to understand how to do this by using enharmonic change, let's remember what we say about tonality, about key. We said that we have three very important degrees, which are the tonic, the dominant, and the leading tone. Maybe the leading tone is one of the three most important because it has a strong sense of tension and it has the tendency to move to the tonic. So we need to have it, to have the leading tone of the following key when we want to modulate to the next key, to the following key. So if I take the leading tone of B major key, the leading tone of B major key is A sharp. So I should have this note in my chord before modulating to B major key. But if I take E flat, E flat major scale, I can see that very well that E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D. I don't have A sharp, but I have something which is enharmonically similar, we can say. So we have B flat, which correspond to the fifth degree of E flat major key. And B flat is the enharmonic equivalent of A sharp. Okay, so this is something very important. So since we have that B flat is the enharmonic equivalent of A flat, I can make an enharmonic change, and I can, when I start, of course, from E flat, and I have B flat, but at a certain point I can call it, I can consider it as A sharp. Okay, so by using some chords and using it, using this note in which I make this enharmonic change, I can modulate very quickly from E flat to B sharp. I can do something like this. I start from E flat major chord, then I have used this chord, and then I modulate to B major key. Okay? This is called an enharmonic modulation. So don't worry, this is only an anticipation. Don't worry, this is only an example to make you understand how important is the introduction of enharmonic relation. Okay? And we will see that some chords, for example, the diminished seventh chord, can be used to make enharmonic changes, and so they will be very, very used in this kind of enharmonic modulations. But so this was only an anticipation. So these were the three most important consequences of the introduction of the equal tempered system, and of course of the introduction of the enharmonic relation. In the next lesson, in the next harmony lessons, we will see how to apply everything we learn.